Today I'm showing you how to fix the Roblox 6-digit verification code not sending to email problem. Let's get started. Step 1. Check Spam and Promotions folders. First, open your Gmail app on your device. The verification email might be filtered into other folders. Tap the menu icon, 3 lines, and check your Spam folder and Promotions tab. If you find the Roblox verification email there, mark it as not spam so future emails go to your inbox. Step 2. Open phone settings. If you still don't see the verification code, open your phone's Settings app. Step 3. Navigate to Apps. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications. Step 4. Find Roblox app. Search for Roblox in the search bar or scroll through your apps list until you find the Roblox app. Tap on it. Step 5. Clear app data. In the Roblox app settings, scroll down and tap on Storage or Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Data or Clear App Data. This removes corrupted files that might be blocking verification emails. Note that this won't delete your Roblox account, just temporary app data. Step 6. Check Permissions. Go back to the main Roblox app settings page and tap on Permissions. Make sure all necessary permissions are enabled, especially storage and notifications. Toggle them all on. Step 7. Update Roblox app. Exit Settings and open the Google Play Store. Search for Roblox in the search bar. If you see an Update button, tap it to install the latest version. If it says Open, your app is already updated. You can skip this step. Step 9. Restart Roblox. Open the Roblox app. Additional tips. Make sure you're using the correct email address associated with your Roblox account. Check that your internet connection is stable. Weak connections can prevent emails from being sent or received. If the problem persists, try using a different email service like Outlook or Yahoo instead of Gmail. Why this works. Clearing app data removes corrupted cache files, updating ensures you have the latest bug fixes, and checking spam folders catches emails that were incorrectly filtered. These steps together resolve most verification email issues. And that's it. You should now receive your Roblox verification code email successfully.